today's video for you. I've got a GT500 steering wheel. As you can tell, this is the piece that I'm going to put back into the switches. So to distinguish the two, this is the GT500, this one's the GT, and you can tell because of the wear and the gook on the switch. So when I removed this one from the GT, it kind of broke. It's the same piece, there's no difference. This side is held in by plastic, that part's held in by plastic, and then the same with the two holes, held in by plastic. So what I'm going to do is use my best friend, Gorilla Glue. I'm going to put it together, and then I will show you the final product and with it all back together. So here is the part that came out of the GT. Not a whole lot to do to clean it. You can use an alcohol wipe, you can just use your finger and just kind of get off the material that's on it. Looks pretty good to me. So here's the back side of it. So here you can see that there's a piece that it's plastic that broke off. Same with the other side. What we're going to do is we're going to use super glue, and we're just going to put it on the two pieces here as you see, and then we're going to pop it back into right here. So we're going to use our best friend super glue, and we're going to glue it on. Okay, so as you can see, the two little bubbles where the plastic kind of pops out when this focuses, you could see that it's the super glue. So we're going to just let that do its drying thing, and basically the switch is back to on, and it looks complete. So we're going to let it do its thing, get dry, let it do its drying process, as I'm in no rush for this, and we'll check back in a couple days and you'll see that it's all dried up and it's good to be used. So stay tuned for the follow-up on the GT500 steering wheel. Okay, so we're going to continue with our video that we were discussing recently, which was yesterday. So we are looking at everything right now one day later. So the glue is dried, it's been 24 hours. I'm going to hook everything back up. I'm going to try and do this with one hand, and then I'm going to pop it in. There we go. Okay, so that's in. Now we're gonna put this back in to the steering wheel. So the problem is you're gonna be kind of gentle, but you kind of gotta really push this in. Alright, so that's halfway in. I'm gonna have to use two hands somehow. Just grab. So I'm going to section. As you can see, it's extended to into the steering wheel. But I'm going to pause this and pop it in. Now it's fully in. It's fully into the steering wheel. Just like that, it's done. May not look 100%, but that's okay. Doesn't have to, especially not for what this is going into, so it doesn't really matter to me. It looks pretty good. And there we have the finished product. Woohoo! So thanks for watching. We'll see you later. And I will do the install probably on the car when I have time and it's not so cold outside. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.
Say bye-bye.